So people with combination skin, listen up. I completely understand that during the winter season, your skin doesn't know what to do. The products that you've been using during the summer season just don't work for the winter season. So I'm going to give you a very simple morning care routine. So listen up closely. So first change that you need to make is for your cleansers. Now, please opt for gentle cleansing over anything which has a lot of exfoliants in it. Number 2 is use your serums religiously in the morning hours, specifically things like vitamin C or Arbutin. Hyaluronic acid use should be limited. Yes, I'm going to read the reason in the caption. Number 3 and most important change is to be made in your moisturizers. So during summer season, if you're using more gel-based, watery moisturizers, you need to make the switch towards more peptide-based and ceramide-based moisturizers during the winter season. And I'm going to leave some recommendations in the caption. Finally, use a sunscreen. Again, don't go for mattifying sunscreens. Use more like gel-based sunscreens, which are going to still lock in that moisturizer.